In addition to the traditional methods that we can use for learning vocabulary, we can also add technology to the mix. And one way to do this is to use the website Quizlet. If you don't know what Quizlet is, it's something that's very useful, and I think you'd benefit from it if you've never used it before. So basically, Quizlet is a website where you can make flashcards, and it's not only for vocabulary or languages. People make flashcards who are medical students, people make flashcards for history, for any number of things that they want to practice recall on and practice building their memory and memorization of. So Quizlet is beneficial in many fields and many areas, including language learning. When we talk about Quizlet and using it, basically what you can do is you can add words on the front and the back of your flashcard, just like you would do with paper. So you'll put your language, for example, your native language on one side of the card, the digital card, and on the other side of the card, you'd add the word or phrase from your own language. But unlike the paper flashcard, with Quizlet you can add different things. So if you download pictures, you can add pictures instead of a word from your language. You can put the word in your target language and then a picture in order to understand what the word means. You can also add digital files, for example, audio, so that when the word in your target language shows up, the pronunciation of it comes out. So not only do you remember and learn the meaning of the word, but you also will hear the pronunciation, and that will help you to understand the sound of the language as well as the meaning of the language that you're learning. There are many benefits of using Quizlet, and some of them are that there are already cards made by other users. So people put their card decks online and they make it available. They share it with the general public. So that means if you want to learn the most common words, for example, you might find them already on Quizlet. So you don't have to make your own cards. You can find them and then you can use them and start drilling and practicing. Another thing and benefit is that you can use Quizlet not only on a computer or a laptop, but you can use it as an app as well. So that means wherever you go, if you have your phone with you, for example, you'll have access to the decks. So if you're in a waiting room, if you're taking the bus, if you're waiting for food to come at a restaurant, if you're waiting for a friend, you can drill, you can practice these words, or you can learn new words if you get some other person's deck and go through them. So it's a good chance for you to practice wherever you are, and it eliminates the excuse that you don't have time. You can find 5 minutes or 10 minutes of dead time and make use of it using Quizlet and these digital flashcards that are available to you. It's in the palm of your hands, basically.